Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this half up half down hairstyle. So I already have my head parted into two halves. For the up is the ponytail, while for the down will be for the extension. I'll be making crochet. So as you can see me doing right here, I'm braiding my hair. While I'm braiding, I'll go ahead to connect the braids. So here I was done with the braids. I'll go ahead to hide the hair. So this is how it looks after braiding the down part of my hair. So now this is the hair I'll be using, free stress braid, and I'll go ahead to show you guys how it looks. It's a water wave. And now it's time to begin the crochet. So I'll be using my crochet needle to pull the hair extension and secure it. I'll also go ahead to tighten it more just to keep it in place. So this process I'll be repeating it for all the hair that I braided until I'm done. So just watch me as I crochet my hair. So I'm almost done with adding the hair extension at the back part. So this is it, and now I'll go ahead to make my ponytail extension. So I use a hairband, and into the hairband I'm attaching some hair extension to it. Just watch closely and how I'm doing it. So I was done. This is it. So at this part, just combing out my hair. After combing my hair, I went ahead to use a hairband to hold down my hair just to secure it, and also braided it down. It's time to lay my hair down for the ponytail while I apply some eco gel on it, as you can see me doing. So here I'll be adding my hair extension for the ponytail. I'll tie it into the hair that I made a knot. I'll be pulling out little piece from the hair extension while I hold the rest in place. And now I'll use the little piece I got to tie around my hair. And to secure it more, I went ahead to use more hair extension just to hold it down in place properly. So at this point, I'll go ahead to use my Got2b glue spray to hold it in place. So while using your Got2b glue spray, you also need to use your hair dryer to dry it up so the glue can stay in place. But here I was in a haste, I didn't have time to do that, and this hair actually took me maybe 3 hours. So you can try this hairstyle, it doesn't take much time. So here I was just trying to I just applied some hair mousse, just bring out the shine and wake up the hair, and boom, this is your girl. She's looking all beautiful. And also you can rock this hairstyle anytime, any day. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm a new content creator in terms of hair, and see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.